Hello and welcome to my video. I am introducing you to the Electrolux. This is a Discovery 2 vacuum cleaner from what era?
Either 1989 or 1990, but I'm not 100% sure.
So let's take a look.
And I bought this at the Goodwill, my local Goodwill outlet for $3, and it works great.
So it still works. Let's take a look at the geometry of this Electrolux. So here is
Power switch.
The power switch is a rocker switch right here.
I got it.
So you just kind of so it still works. It was $3 at the Goodwill.
The Goodwill outlet.
Okay, the Goodwill outlet. So let me give a shot.
And we'll show this too.
Okay.
And this is how you would change a bag on one of these, in case for those of you who have one of these and don't know how to do it. You these buttons back here.
So let me give a shot of the back.
Now these is my fingers in the frame?
And action.
And these buttons right here, you just do this, and this comes up, and then here's your bag. And this one in particular, I'm sure models vary, but this one takes an Electrolux style U bag.
Okay, let me look at the front here.
And I gotta put this back on here, so give me a second.
Is the bag, and then you...
Oh wait, I don't have it on there right.
You clip it down.
Yeah.
And
then another thing I wanted to do was show how you hook this up.
So this is an upright.
Yes.
It's an upright.
And this is how you would hook up the hose attachment.
So let's look at the hose attachment.
You take this off. There you go.
And let me see the end. So this is the hose.
Yep.
Right here.
Yep.
So if you want to clean into tight spaces or under any furniture, you've got the hose here. Let me show you this before.
This is how you take it out. And then I want to do the mess while you're recording too. Okay.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to demonstrate of turning on. So you just what'd you hit down here? A foot?
Not a foot thing. You just do that.
Okay. So let's go ahead and give a demonstration of turning it on and running it.
Right. Now when I do 3, 2, 1, it's coming on.
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1. The wheels do need to be a little lubricated, but other than that, and I'm sorry if you can't hear me, this thing is kind of cloudy. That mess is clean.
So let me look at the bottom. Is there a beater bar?
There is. But oh yeah, and I need to mention, the reason y'all don't hear this part is it's separate motor, and the motor is dead. Because when I put it on the carpet part, here's what it does. That's regular floor.
That's regular floor.
And then when I put it on carpet, here's what it does. It shuts off.
Okay. So go ahead and give me a demonstration one more time on the floor of the carpet. Okay, again, this is the Electrolux Discovery 2.
From either approximately 1989 or 1990. And by the way, for those who are wondering, this is Larry Me's show.
So he is doing the demonstration, and this is his vacuum cleaner.
And please subscribe to my channel. Please.
As well.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching this video.